Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. And Madonna by the mirror, man, I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gyms y'all need. I've been working on his body for the beach all winter. Yoga and Pilates, watch me keep my figure. Snap back like Beyonce, kill the beats like Jigga. Share the vision, but not everybody see my picture. Like the circle got smaller, but the dream got bigger. All those things that you said you didn't mean, I get it. Oh, you really wanna come back to the team, I'm listening. But life's different, and I'm richer. Made for this since birth. Yes, I know my worth. Go hard, put in work, cause I come first. And I ain't even need your help. Put the work in. Put the work in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave, and y'all go ahead and like this video now. This is probably one of my best kinky curly clip-in transformations that I've done to date. This is what my natural hair looks like. I am type for a natural. I did my second big chop maybe about 2 years ago, and my hair is growing, but y'all, I want some length. I really like length and volume. Big hair is where it's at for me. So I'm going to be adding some clip-ins, and this time I'm using clip-ins by Better Length. This is my first time using them. They do specialize in textured natural hair clip-ins, so that's really cool. And y'all, I got these in length 20, and I wasn't sure if they were going to be too long or not, but I'm going to show you guys in detail how I actually got them to blend with my natural hair and how I made this length work. Now, this particular clip-in set comes in one bundle, and y'all, this is a thick bundle. There are 10 clip-ins in this set, and that's literally all you need. For this particular clip-in install, I am going to be doing a middle part. In my last clip-in video, I did a side part, and I'll be sure to link that one in the cards above. Now, when you do your middle part, you want to make sure that you also have coverage in the back. So I just scooped out a little bit of hair in the back just to make sure that when I did my middle part, that the back area is also covered. Now I'm going to also take out hair near the part, and then also hair on the sides where my edges are, and I like to do an inch wide, and I just use my finger as a marker. So after taking out an inch wide near my part on the right side, I'm also going to do my edges, and then I'm going to move on to the other side, and then I'm going to braid my hair in the back. Alright, now that I'm finished braiding my hair in the back and I've taken out my leave out, I'm going to begin pinning up the back and then working on the front leave out in order to make sure that it blends with the clip-ins. Alright, now it's time to get our leave out nice and sleek and make sure that it blends, because clearly we cannot leave it like this. So I'm going to be adding the Dark and Lovely Curl Defining Glaze to my hair first, and then I like to follow it up with Got to Be Glue Gel, and those two products really help to define my curls as well as give me the hold that I need. So I proceed to spray water on my hair first and then follow it up with those two products, and then I'm going to take my hair and wrap it around the back, adding a stocking cap in order to make sure that my hair is nice and stretched, but you guys will see that in a moment.
tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe. We do this every time, like na 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 na. Feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way. And now they looking at me sideways. I'm like na 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 na.
So really quick, this is the stocking cap method that I was referring to. So I'm just going to take my hair and wrap the length of my hair around the nape of my head, and I'm going to actually cover it with the stocking cap, and that's going to keep it in place and allow my hair to set that way. And it's going to be super stretched in the morning so that I can actually blend it with the clip-ins and make sure that I have my length. If you have not tried this technique before, I'd highly recommend it. I've been doing it for years and it works so great.
This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna leave, nah, nah, nah. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, nah, 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 nah. This is where I wanna stay, nah, nah, nah. I could do this every day, nah, nah, nah. It don't matter what they say. I'm like, nah, 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 nah.
Y'all, look at how good my edges look. These two products really get my type 4 hair together. It looks so good. And I'm telling you guys, in the morning, after wrapping my hair with a satin scarf and everything, my hair is gonna look so good. All right, now it's time to prep these clip-ins. So I'm gonna be using the Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner on the hair. This is what they look like before actually washing. And I like to keep the bundle together. I don't separate the hair. It just makes it easier for me. So I run water over the hair first, and then I'm gonna apply the conditioner and then follow it up with detangling with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush.
Say, hey, I've been on the wave. It's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time. Like na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna leave, nah, nah, nah. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, nah, 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 nah.
Y'all, this hair was so easy to detangle, and I only experienced minimal shedding, which is really good. So now that we've washed the hair, it's time to actually apply our styler. I like to use these two products. I like to start with the curl defining glaze first, and then I follow it up with the curl enhancer by Softy Naturals. After I've done that, I'm gonna allow the hair to air dry overnight.
This is where I wanna stay, nah, nah, nah. I could do this every day, nah, nah, nah. It don't matter what they say. I'm like, nah, 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 nah. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home.
All right, now that we've allowed the hair to air dry, it's the next morning and it's time to install the hair. So now I'm going to remove my satin scarf, and after doing that, you guys will be able to see how great my results were after using the strategy that I shared with you guys. I did add an additional stocking cap, but you don't have to do that. Just make sure that the one that you put on is tight. The first one that I originally added was a bit loose, so I just added another one over. So this is how defined my hair is, and look at how stretched it is. This is going to blend so well with the clip-ins because it's nice and stretched and also really defined. So now all that's left to do is install the clip-ins. I like to start at the top first, and then I work my way down to the back. This helps me to ensure that the placement of the clip-ins are well planned out and that I have enough coverage with the clip-ins as I install them. This hair turned out so nice. It looks so juicy and the curls are popping. And look at how well this texture blends with my hair. It's on point. Now I'm going to begin installing the hair. Now what I do want to mention is that when I took the hair apart, because I washed it and defined it all together, it was a bit challenging trying to separate the hair. So maybe in the future, I won't actually do that with this hair because it was a bit of a challenge, but it did actually work out for me in the end because I am somebody who really enjoys a great deal of volume. So the hair was even more voluminous and still defined. So I actually didn't have to pick the hair in the end, but if you're somebody who doesn't like as much volume, don't keep it together. So I'm just going to open up the clips and begin installing the hair, starting at the top and working my way down.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
So good already. My hair blends seamlessly with this hair, and all I'm gonna do is just finger comb my hair and just intertwine it with the clip-ins. I'm also gonna be sure to pull out the leave out that I created just behind the part, and I'm just gonna cover those clip-ins in that area. But we're pretty much done at this point. This install was super easy, and I cannot believe how much this looks like it's my own natural hair. Now, I did decide to tame the frizz a bit because on the ends I felt like it was a little too frizzy for my liking. So I'm just gonna apply this hair polisher. It gives the hair a great deal of shine, and I'm also going to follow it up with another product that's kind of weird, but it actually did help to define the curls more. Sometimes we'll cherish, baby, that no comparing to you. That's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed how detailed it was. Be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know if you all enjoyed this clip-in install, what you guys think about the blend, what do you guys think about these clip-ins in general. Also, let me know, have you tried clip-ins? Will you be trying clip-ins? What do you guys think about this versatility? This looks so natural. It is crazy how good this looks. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys a quick style that you can do with this hair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and check the description box. I'll have all the links and specifications for these clip-ins. I'll also show you guys my outfit of the day. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. Am I down about him every man? I heard that she a version. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gems y'all need. I've been working on his body for the beach all winter. Yoga and Pilates, watch me keep my figure snap back like Beyonce, kill the beats like Jigga. Share the vision, but not everybody see my picture. Like the circle got smaller, but the dream got bigger. All those things that you said you didn't mean, I get it. Oh, you really wanna come back to the team? I'm listening. But life's different, and I'm richer. Made for this since birth. Yes, I know my worth. Go hard, put in work, cause I come first, and I ain't even need your help.